California is a leader in the nation as far as green construction, and our building codes are some of the most stringent in the nation, and they're constantly evolving. In 2020, they're going to be even more strict than they are right now. So it's important that we prepare our young people to meet those requirements, that they understand why they're doing what they're doing, why they're building the way that they're building, and that they can talk to their future employers about the fact that they are knowledgeable in what the green codes are.
The importance of green is basically using your resources as efficiently as possible.
We'll look at sustainable building. We'll hear from Mike Hodges about the changes in the building codes that will go into effect in 2020. And then we'll hear from a panel of partners from Habitat for Humanity about how they've designed their homes to become more energy efficient. So now they're considered zero net energy homes.
We already are building green. We are mandated to do so, but it's a very efficient use of resources.
We'll be working with a trainer from Boston and also with Tufts University to really delve into this topic and really look at the nuts and bolts of what it takes to build green.
Using OVV Framing, which is optimum value engineering. So it's spacing the studs farther apart to incorporate more insulation and less wood.
Trainers from Philadelphia from the St. Gobain CertainTeed company came to Stockton to actually train our young folks, and they received training in how to install bat insulation and how to blow in insulation.
Recycle content insulation product rather than using fiberglass insulation. Fiberglass insulation, it takes 283 times as much energy to produce as cellulose or cotton bat insulation. So using alternative building products and strategies, some of the easiest things that we can do are air sealing. So it's plugging up those gaps in the thermal envelope. So it's caulking around penetrations in that thermal envelope, in that barrier. So just using spray foam and caulk.
We've taken 60% of the lumber out of our houses. So that's eliminated a lot of material.
Through this, we help builders, building owners make buildings more efficient and more sustainable, which many people call green.
Most jobs, they'll have a full dump truck load of sheetrock scrap that'll go to the landfill. And our scrap was a wheelbarrow full. So we're not filling the landfill.
We need to learn how to use less power to save our environment.
It'll go anything from design, which would include the grading and the layout of the building on the site. It'll go into resource efficiency, which many people will think of energy as being one of those things, but also will do water, indoor and outdoor water use. So it'll regulate what faucets and fixtures you can have. It'll regulate how much water you can put on the exterior of your building and how you control it.
Training the trades to correct existing buildings that are using way too much energy, but also to help the trades learn how to build new buildings that use a lot less energy.
Habitat's all about building things as inexpensively as possible, and green has a lot to do with that.
We need to be conscious of what we're using so as to leave some for somebody else.